How to use and install Instacart application for grocery delivery for your regular home food or any type of grocery you want to order from the Instacart application. How you can simply download from your iPhone or Android device. I'm doing it on iPhone, so make sure that you have updated or download the latest version of this application. And now you have to simply search for the Instacart and click on it. Open it on your device, and if you don't have an account you can simply click on sign up, and if you have it you can click on login. Here also you can select it that if you're a business, if you're a seller, then you can click it on the sign or login up. But in this video we are talking about ordering groceries from this application. So click on sign up. As I don't have an account here, click on Google, and from this menu I'm going to choose my email address, click on continue, and then your account will be created. Then you can simply set up your name, email address, all the details. I'm skipping it for now. You can enter your zip code for US address, in which country you live. You can also work it in Canada and enter the address from this. So this is how you can set up and start ordering from it. Thank you so much for watching this video.